Welcome to a new episode of Crypto Gem Finder. What is Ethereum? Ethereum is a technology that lets you send cryptocurrency to anyone for a small fee. It also powers applications that everyone can use and no one can take down. It's the world's programmable blockchain. Ethereum builds on Bitcoin's innovation, with some big differences. Both let you use digital money without payment providers or banks. But Ethereum is programmable, so you can also use it for lots of different digital assets, even Bitcoin. This also means Ethereum is for more than payments. It's a marketplace of financial services, games and apps that can't steal your data or censor you. How to use Ethereum? The thought of using Ethereum might sound intimidating, but it could be rewarding. If Ethereum is known as the unstoppable world computer develops according to plan, it could provide alternatives to the Facebooks and Googles. How to store Ethereum? You can store your Ethereum using Ethereum wallets, which can be paper, desktop, mobile or hardware wallets. What can you do once have Ethereum or Ether? Users with Ether can join or create smart contracts, code that automatically executes the terms of an agreement so that you don't have to rely on a third party. Bundles of smart contracts can be used to create decentralized applications, dApps, which you can use or join. So how the Ethereum and cryptocurrency system works? Ethereum and other cryptocurrencies have an admittedly confusing storage system. Perhaps it's useful to compare it to what we already know. Notice the string of numbers on the front of your credit card? It's necessary for banks to determine where they should send money when the card is swiped. Cryptocurrencies allow you to generate similar identification numbers that identify where to debit funds. In this system, there are two main components that users need for identification: the public key and the private key. Usually represented as a scrambled string of numbers and letters, the two keys are linked together by cryptography. The public key can be sent to others so that they know where to send your money. If you want people to send you Ether, you need an address, a scrambled string of letters and numbers derived from the similarly scrambled public key, for people to send coins to. To spend Ether, you need to sign over the funds with your private key, which, as the name implies, is similar to a password. In the credit card analogy, it's similar to the PIN used to unlock your funds at the ATM or in a store. So, what's the benefit of this system? One key difference in open blockchains, such as Bitcoin and Ethereum, is that users can generate an identification number for their funds at any time. They don't need to wait for a bank to approve a bank account application and present the credit card. The world computer. In short, Ethereum wants to be a world computer that would decentralize, and some would argue, democratize, the existing client-server model. With Ethereum, servers and clouds are replaced by thousands of so-called nodes run by volunteers from across the globe, thus forming a world computer. The vision is that Ethereum would enable the same functionality to people anywhere around the world, enabling them to compete to offer services on top of this infrastructure. Scrolling through a typical app store, for example, you'll see a variety of colorful squares representing everything from banking to fitness to messaging apps. These apps rely on the company, or another third-party service, to store your credit card information, purchasing history and other personal data, somewhere, generally in servers controlled by third parties. Your choice of apps is of course also governed by third parties, as Apple and Google maintain and curate, or in some cases, censor, the specific apps you are able to download. Take the example of an online document service like Evernote or Google Docs. Ethereum, if all goes according to plan, would return control of the data and these types of services to its owner and the creative rights to its author. The idea is that one entity will no longer have control over your notes and that no one could suddenly ban the app itself, temporarily taking all of your notebooks offline. Only the user can make changes, not any other entity. In theory, it combines the control that people had over their information in the past with the easy-to-access information that we're used to in the digital age. Each time you save edits, or add or delete notes, every node on the network makes the change. Thank you for watching. Please do not forget to subscribe, share, like and add your comments.